Good morning and welcome to the Casserole Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Oh, the weather is going to be beautiful out here in Sutter County, California for the next several days. That's according to Mr. Bob Harlan and his weather reports that he does every morning, Monday through Friday. That's where I get my information from. Yep. Last night, Robin brought home street tacos, beans, and rice from one of our favorite taquerias, La Unica. Yummy. Tonight, I was supposed to do this recipe a week or so ago, and I'm going to be preparing chicken and wild rice casserole. This is a recipe that Robin handed to me and asked me to prepare. I'm finally going to get to it. Yes, this recipe is a generic recipe. I will be modifying it and adding some things, more than just a few things, to give it some flavor and some punch and just good old goodness. So yeah, if you haven't caught it yet, the kosher salt tutorial is out. Please give it a watch, especially if you don't use kosher salt in your normal everyday cooking. There's a lot of information there. It's good information. It's very helpful. I had a lot of fun doing it. I have a butter tutorial coming and a tomato tutorial coming in the next week or so. So look for those as well. I'm going to be trying to do teasers for each one, to kind of let you guys know that these tutorials are coming out shortly. Yeah, I'm doing about one a week. I'm having a lot of fun doing them. Get to use a lot of my skills, get to use a lot of things that the know-how that I have, and I just have a lot of fun doing them. And hopefully you get something out of them, some information, some knowledge, so forth. So, on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.